Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Nespresso machine. So if that's something you're interested in, or if it's something that you've been thinking about purchasing, stay tuned. I'm so excited about this video and I can't wait for you guys to see it. Welcome back to another video. Like I said in the intro, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Nespresso. So let's hop right into the video. So this is the Nespresso Vertuo Machine. I picked it up from Bed Bath & Beyond. On the inside of the box, we first have the quick start guide. Inside of the quick start guide, we have a $10 voucher to redeem at the Nespresso website on your first order. It also has a list of the coffees and their flavor variables and their strength levels. It also shows you how to set up your machine for the very first time. It also comes with a standard user manual, just your standard manual, as well as some sample pods. We got 12 pods in this box. This machine also comes with a milk frother. This is a full-size milk frother and it is electric. It comes with its own plug. And for the moment that we've all been waiting for and the reason why we're here, it is our machine. This particular machine comes in 3 different colors. It comes in this chrome color, it comes in a soft black, and it also comes in a matte black. I wanted the matte black, but it was sold out, but I'm glad I got this one because it's so pretty. It's such a pretty chrome color, and it's going to look great sitting on my countertop. I did my research on the Nespresso before I bought it, and there are, I don't know if I've said this already, but there are many Nespresso machines out there. There are some that make coffee and espresso, and then there are some that just do espresso. So the machine that I got, it actually does coffee and espresso. This is the Vertuo machine. So this machine does not fit the original pods. It only fits the Vertuo pods. And then it comes with a milk frother. Now, like I said, not all of the Nespresso machines come with a milk frother. Some of them come where you have to purchase this separately. So I thought that was a very good deal that I didn't have to purchase this separately. It's a full-size milk frother. It heats milk, frosts milk, and you can also just do a cool milk setting. Also, it comes with 2 vessels. This vessel that sits on the left side, it actually pops the old pod out and it stores it here. Nespresso will send you a bag that you can recycle all of your pods. You can send it, you can drop it off at any UPS location and you can recycle for free. So once this fills up, you just pour your pods, your empty pods, into the bag that they provide, ship it off, and boom, you're helping your carbon footprint. So that sits on the left side. And on the right side is the water reservoir. And you can tell the difference because the capsule reservoir has a hole in it and the water one does not. So let's do a test. Okay, we're gonna get our machine set up for the first time use. We're gonna click the water reservoir in to make sure that it's locked into place. We're then going to plug our machine up to make sure, the girl got some power. Then we're gonna open our machine, or open the top of the machine, and then we're just gonna close it right back up, and then we're gonna lock it. Make sure it's locked because that lock was a little hard for me. You're gonna push the power button, and then the light is gonna illuminate a couple of times. But once that light becomes still, we're gonna see that in a minute. Once the light becomes still, then we're going to click on that button 3 times very fast, and that allows the machine to know that we are doing a cleaning process. So then there's going to be bursts of water that comes out of the machine, and I believe it does this like 3 times. You don't have to touch it. You don't have to do anything to it. The machine automatically cleans itself and does what it's supposed to do. So you just allow your glass to sit there, and when you're done, you're then ready to make your first cup of coffee. Okay guys, let's get ready to make some coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook up my frother, and it just comes with this little cord and this, and you just put that under the bottom like that and plug it up. Now I don't have any milk, but I have some Coffee Mate Italian sweet cream creamer. So that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to go ahead and froth my milk before we make our coffee, so that way it'll be ready to go. There is a indication line. I don't know if you can see it. So you see those two. The one at the bottom, well, it'll be the top from where you're looking. So this one right there is for frothing. And this is just if you want to warm your milk. So the bottom, the lowest one is for where you froth your milk, because you know frothing makes everything bigger. And the one on the top is just for warming your milk. And y'all, sorry for my ashy hands. I just washed them so I could, you know, everything could be clean. So here we go, just pouring to that line. Put on the top. And then you want to hit this button 1 time for warming, and then you hit it, you hold it for 2 seconds if you want cold milk. So I'm just gonna hit it once, and it's doing its thing. So next, let's move on to our coffee. Okay, so I have decided to go with, I believe, this one. No. This one. And this is Melzio. I don't know. Melozio. No. The coffee strength indicates that it is a, can y'all see that? The coffee strength indicates that it's a level 6. And that's just like regular coffee. So that's what we're gonna go with. Now I picked up these cute little glass mugs from Dollar Tree. So we're gonna put that there. I hope that works. I also picked this one up. So maybe I'll do this one because I don't know if that's sprout. Okay. So it indicates that you're supposed to put the capsule in just like this. Oh, let me also say the capsules have barcodes on them. The capsules have barcodes on them. So the coffee machine automatically reads what coffee you want. And it also reads the size. Like each capsule has the size, the flavor, the strength, and everything on this barcode. And the coffee maker reads that. So you put that in there like that. Close it. You hit lock. And then I'm gonna hit go. So clearly, this glass is too small. But that is a good thing to note, that if you just push the button on the top of the machine, it cuts off and avoids disaster. So I probably should have gone with this. I don't know. But anyway, look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. So I'm gonna taste it black first. Before we add our froth, because it's really nothing you can add to this. It's pretty good. I don't like black coffee, but if you like black coffee, I believe you can definitely drink this black. So I'm about to ruin it. I'm about to pour it in here. So that kind of ruined the cream. I think it's called crema, not cream. That ruined the crema. And now we're going to take our milk. That's been frothed and warmed. And I saw this lady do this on YouTube. She held back, so this is what the cream looks like. The frothed. She held back the froth with a spoon, so I'm gonna do that too. And let it get the liquid in there. But there we go. There's our cup of coffee. Guess I'll just stir it up. So there's our cup of coffee. Can you see the foam on top? Oh, it's so pretty. Can y'all see that? I don't know if you can see it, but it is pretty. So let's do a taste test with the creamer. That is delicious. Believe all the hype about the Nespresso because I'm a believer. I had a Keurig. It made decent coffee, you know, your typical coffee. But this Nespresso, ooh. You'll also see reviews of people complaining about the temperature of the coffee. They say it's not hot enough. But I think this is the perfect temperature to enjoy. If you're able to like enjoy your coffee right out of the coffee machine, perfect temperature. You can also make iced coffee. Now the sample pack does not come with the iced coffee pods, but this machine can allow you to make iced coffee. This is like a whole new world. I'm sold. My dad just bought him a coffee machine for Father's Day, but I think I'm gonna buy him another one. I gotta get one of these. I'm sold. So that's it, guys. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have been on the fence about purchasing a Nespresso coffee machine, think about it no more. Just go ahead and do it. At the time of filming this video, which is Sunday, May 16th, the Nespresso machine is still on sale at Bed Bath & Beyond. That's where I got mine from because I wanted to use my 20% off coupon. I was about to get one on Amazon because they also have it for a decent price, but you can't use the 20% at Amazon, so it was just a better buy at Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, I did buy mine Mother's Day weekend, so that may have been why it was on sale. So if you are looking to get one, maybe you want to wait until Memorial Day weekend or Father's Day weekend. That probably be the next time a lot of the stores will have them on sale. Again, do your research because like I said, there are several different brands of the Nespresso. Some are bigger than this. I'll leave a link in the description box below in case you want to purchase yours. Also, if I post a link down below, it's an affiliate link. So what that means is I get a small commission off of each purchase. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It just helps me and my channel and my business. So without further ado, because I'm just rambling at this point and maybe the caffeine, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Please comment down below if you own a Nespresso, if you're thinking about making the switch from Keurig to Nespresso. Also comment down below your favorite coffee creamer, because I love creamer. It's my thing. And I will catch you guys in the next video. So thank you again so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.